I'm celebrity chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make salted seaweed salad. I absolutely love going to sushi restaurants and getting seaweed salad. It's really refreshing and really light, but it's got this really great flavor that's a little salty and it's a little earthy because of the sesame oil. It's really delicious, and now, well, after you watch this video, you'll be able to make it at home. First, you'll want to get some dried seaweed. This is available at most grocery stores. Just look in the Asian section. They have so many different types of seaweed out there, but the one thing that they share in common is that they're all really healthy. They have lots of iodine and lots of B vitamins, so they have the essential nutrients to keep your energy up, to keep your brain functioning, and to keep your weight low. So for this salad, I'm going to get started with some cold water. Just get a bowl filled with cold water, and then you're going to want to add your dried seaweed. So the type that I'm using today is an assorted seaweed. So I've got these little, oh God, there's a whole bunch of different ones. I have little clear strands of seaweed. I have these ones are going to puff up to be bright pink and pretty. There's green ones. So I like getting the assorted mix because it just makes everything a little bit more colorful and a lot more fun. So I'm just going to put them in the cold water like that. Just kind of dip them in there. And now I'm just going to let them sit for about 7 minutes until they start to expand. Once the seaweed starts to expand, it will be time to make my salted seaweed salad. Once your dried seaweed has been soaking in cold water for about 7 minutes, it is ready to serve. So first, get your seaweed, and you're just going to want to get some tongs and shake a little bit of the water off of there, and then put it in your bowl. This is so beautiful, especially when you use this combination mixed seaweed blend. You've got the clear and the greens and the pinks and the purples. It's so absolutely beautiful. So for this salad, if you wanted to do some extra garnish, you could put some sliced cucumbers on there, some bell peppers. Keep it really simple. But today I'm just going to add a little bit of dressing for my salted seaweed salad. I have a little splash of tamari. You could use some soy sauce instead. A little drizzle of sesame oil. That's what's going to give it its really earthy kick. And then a little splash of rice wine vinegar. This is going to give it a little bit of bite, a little bit of tang, that traditional flavor that you usually taste when you get your salted seaweed salads at the restaurants. This is Mariko showing you how to make a salted seaweed salad. Enjoy.